Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti and welcome to day 12 of the Pranayama challenge. We are almost towards the end of this challenge, so I really hope you have been benefiting from it. Do let me know in the comments how your experience has been so far. Today we are going to do a practice focused on reducing stress and instilling a sense of peace within. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position, grounding the sit bones into the mat, lengthening the spine, rolling the shoulders back. Let's bring both the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close our eyes, starting with a short centering practice. Let's bring our attention to our breath. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhaling out through the mouth with a ha sound. Again, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale, exhale. Keep going on, letting go of all the busyness and the stress you're carrying of the day, leaving it behind with each exhale. Let's take one last deep breath in and out. And relax, and we'll start with an Om chant. Inhale. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Let's start the practice now. We are going to start with something called the Prana Mudra breath. So let me just quickly demonstrate one round. So in this, we are going to take a deep breath in, and then as we exhale out completely, we are going to form a Mool Bandh, which is forming a bandh at our root chakra as if we are lifting the pelvic floor up towards the navel. We are going to hold the breath out, and then as we start inhaling, we are going to start raising the hands up, mirroring them towards our body and towards the chakra line at the center of the body. So we are going to go from Mooladhara chakra to the Manipura chakra to the Anahat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra as we inhale continuously, and then we are going to take the arms towards the side, imagining the energy rise up all the way to the Sahasrara chakra at the top. We hold the breath in at the top, and then we are going to start exhaling and again bring the hands down, visualizing the energy going back down towards the Mooladhara chakra. So let's start this together, bringing the hands down, palms facing towards the body. Let's take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely, forming a Mool Bandh, and then as you start inhaling, start raising the hands up, expanding the belly, expanding the chest, and then extend the arms to the side, inhaling all the way up to the collarbones. Hold the breath in at the top, and then exhale slowly and continuously, bringing the hands down. Again, inhale. Start lifting the hands up. Hold the breath in at the top. Exhale, start bringing the hands down, visualizing the energy going down all the way to the Mooladhara chakra. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going on at your own pace. Let's complete one last round. Inhale, visualizing the energy rising up all the way to the top of the Sahasrara chakra. Exhale. It travels back down to the Mooladhara chakra. And relax and take a few normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Sheetali or Sheetkari pranayam. So you can either roll your tongue and breathe in through your tongue and exhale out through the nose, or do Sheetkari, bringing the teeth together, inhaling through the teeth and exhaling out through the nose. So let's do 7 rounds of this, bringing hands in chin mudra on the knees. Last one. And relax. Experiencing the cooling effects of this practice on your tongue and internal body. We are going to finish with Nadi Shodhana pranayam, and today we are going to progress to 1:1:1:1 ratio, inhaling for a count of 4, holding the breath in for a count of 4, exhaling for a count of 4, holding the breath out for a count of 4. Bringing the left hand in chin mudra on the left knee, right hand in nasagra mudra, index and middle finger at eyebrow center, closing the right nostril with the thumb. Take a deep breath in from the left side. Hold the breath in. Exhale right. Hold the breath out. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. hold. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, out. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, in. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, out. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, in. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, out. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, in. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, out. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue for 3 more rounds. Last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and take a few normal breaths. We'll end the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you tomorrow for day 13. Till then, take care, rest well, and bye-bye.